What's going on, fight fans? It's Coach Anthony, More Than Human Fitness, and today I'm bringing you a 15-minute kickboxing boxing workout. Now it's going to be a little different. Each of the workouts you're going to have are going to be based around some of my favorite songs that I work out to, be it weightlifting, kickboxing, hitting the bag, whatever. In tandem with the song, we're going to keep beat with it and also do specific exercises that go along with this to make it a full body workout. In between each song, we're going to then drop down and give 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, and do 10 squats before we do on to the next song. There's not really going to be any time of rest in between for a full 15-minute workout. If you haven't already warmed up, make sure you go to my video. I'll put the link either here or at the top. I can't remember exactly which one I'm going to do, but it's going to be a 10-minute farmer's carry workout, an assortment of carries that you can do to help prime your body for the workout. It's not going to tire you out too bad, so make sure you get it done, making sure that you're nice and warmed up. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, share the video. If you haven't already, also go to my Patreon, donate, because this video is not going to get monetized. There's going to be too many instances of it using non-fair use, whatever. So make sure that you support me. Go to my Patreon and donate, or go to my Cash App, whatever, donate. Keep the page alive, because this is a lot of work, and I need food. So let's get into today's lesson. Let's start today's workout and have a good time.
I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what Daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, Daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. World we got in this world, when it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up as daddy that he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip up, little lady. I told ya, Daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.
It's funny, I remember back one year when Daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me, cause Daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause Daddy felt like a bum. See, Daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and Mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you could go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart, and it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and Dad was arguing a lot, so Mama moved back on the Chalmers in a flat, one-bedroom apartment, and Dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Novara. And that's when Daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre, and flew you and Mama out to see me. But Daddy had to work, you and Mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing Daddy on the TV, and Mama didn't like it, and you and Laney were too young to understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone, Mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now.
Where's the list?
Pretty much are, and Daddy's still here. Laney, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, Mama's only gone for the moment.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya and make him meet every carat. Don't fool with that.
Bottle of alcohol in her, feel like Godzilla. Better hit the deck like the car dealer. My whole squad's in here walking around the party. I'm zombie apocalypse and Bobby the just probably the same with Beanie and Shakies in this bitch. I'm posse up. Consider it to cost me a costly mistake if they sleeping on me. The hoes better get insomnia. ADHD.
3, 2, 1, switch.
In AA with an AK melee, finna set it like a play date. Better vacate, retreat like a vacate Mayday.
Switch.
This beat is cray cray, Ray J, H-A. Laughing all the way to the bank, I spray flames, they cannot tame a play.
And round kick.
You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters.
Keep going.
Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet.
Fire, up to the fire.
Blood on the dance floor, Louis V.
I'm just
And circle.
cricket Onyx, told him lick the balls, had him just appalled. Did so many things that pissed him off, it's impossible.
Jab and circle.
I'm in a mental hospital with a crystal ball, trying to see what I still be like this tomorrow. Whisper dog voices, whisper.
Switch. Jab and circle.
This is just a song.
You get right here.
You just throw the pistol on the guy with a missile launcher. I'm just a Loch Ness, the mythological. Quick to tell a bitch go off like a fifth of vodka. When you twist the top of the bottle, I'm a monster.
And round kick.
I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters.
Till the fire spit a monster.
Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet.
Fire, up to the fire.
Blood on the dance floor, Louis V.
If you
And circle.
raise your hand, cause I'm a
Circle.
sad trip. Vacation plans, 1.5
Okay.
exits. So all you will ever get is some motherfucking finger. My state exam. How can I hold these fans up a
Switch.
like a liar's pants? I'm on fire and I got no plans to retire. And I'm still the man you admire. These chicks are spazzing. I only get more handsome and flyer. I got them passing out like what you do when you hand someone flyers.
Switch.
Comes around just like the blades on the chainsaw. Cause I caught the flag with my dollar stack right off the bat like a baseball. Like kidding, bitch, I got them racks with so much ease that they call me Diddy. Cause I make bands and I call getting cheese a cakewalk. Yeah.
And jab and rock.
Motherfucker stingy for share, won't even lend you an ear, ain't even pretending to care. But I tell a bitch I'm area of Shabaria, face on my genital area. The original Christian Rivera, cause my lyrics never sit well, so they wanna give me the chair. Like a paraplegic and it's scary, call it Harry Carry. Cause every time I'm digging Harry Carry, I'm marry a motherfucking dictionary on. I'm swearing up and down, they can spit this shit's hilarious. It's time to put these bitches in the obituary column. We wouldn't see eye to eye with a staring problem, get the shaft like a staring column. Trigger happy, packy, but it's black.
Side to side. Get ready.
Take it back to fat beats with a maxi single. Look at my rap sheet, what attracts these people is my gangster bitch like Apache with a catchy jiggle. I stack chips, you barely got a half eat Cheeto.
Get ready.
Filling with the venom and eliminate him. Other words, I'm innovative. I don't want to hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering again, nobody will evade him. Finna kill him and dump the fucking bodies in a lake, obliterating everything is generated. Renegade him, hit him, make anybody who want it with the pin and frame it. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill. I'm a killer, be killed. I'm a killer, be the vanilla gorilla. You're bringing the killer within me out of me. You don't want to wanna be the enemy of the demon who in me and being the receiving enemy. What stupidity it'd be, every bit of me's the epitome of a spitter when I'm in the vicinity. Motherfucker, you better duck or you finna be dead the minute you run into me. 100% of you is a fifth of a percent of me. I'm about to fucking finish you, bitch. I'm available. You wanna battle? I'm available. I'm blowing up like an inflatable. I'm undebatable. I'm unavoidable. I'm unevadable. I'm on the toilet bowl. I got a trailer full of money and I'm paid for. I'm not afraid to pull them. Man, stop. Look what I'm planning.
Side to side, let's do it. Side to side. Gonna go. Step, 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 step. And forward. Back. Forward. Back. Step, cross. Step, cross. Step, cross. Shift, cross. Shift, cross. Shift, cross. Shift, cross.
No bullshit, nigga, no Ben Gordon. Get her information, take her on vacation. Give her dope dick, now she under the sedation. Wake her in the morning, breakfast where she slipping. Tell her go shopping, I can't wait till she get back. Louis flip flops and a pair of big sweatpants. She wearing on my jet, I fuck her after jet lag. I take her to the vet, cause she a bad bitch. You can't be broke and happy. So me a man rich, I'm talking young money shit. She love the way I think. L'Oreal all over my bathroom sink. Bessie Johnson all over my bathroom counter. My pockets so deep, I'm fucking around and drown her.
Leave.
No sinner. Yeah. I got you, baby. No sinner. Okay, fucking oversized. No sad. I love to hit it backwards. Call it black. I'm all the ass back. Now we be out of jail. Niggas smack jacket, but I have my pad. Fresh out the salon. I took it to my line. I speak a little French. It's no better than mine. I pass around like you probably hit it one time. Catch us at the game, sitting on the baseline. We can call it time out. Take a little time out. Pockets too deep, shorty. You gon' have to climb out. Find me down a prime dress with your spine out. And I live on the beach. You can get that panty line out. She wants to own me, and I ain't tryna fight it. She said that's her dick. She got it copyrighted, and I don't pay for pussy because I'm pussy priceless. I go fishing in it, and I ain't a Pisces. Gucci only to the grocery store. Stop playing, bitch. We ballin' like Okafor. And now we headed to the dealer. I'm going cop my baby something with those ceilings. Get it?
Gauge, let's go on the roof. Keep going to the end of the zone. Oh, good workout today, everybody. It's the day before Christmas. So, you know, just had to get in a little bit, get that weight right so we can go stuff ourselves, have a good ass time. And remember, you need to work out realistically. Stop trying to do all these bodybuilder workouts, especially if you're not on the gear. If you're a fighter, train as a fighter. For most people, I teach them to train realistically. If you like this video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, send it out to everybody you know, and again, we accept all donations for Cash App, Patreon, PayPal, everything will be listed in the links below to keep this channel growing and bring you more good stuff. Because like I said, food is hard out here. But other than that, I love y'all. Happy Christmas Eve, and to everybody out there, Merry Christmas. Y'all be easy. Sawadee Kap.